I've had my restaurant, Dalton Steakhouse, for the last 7 years. I just opened this one here last September. The two stores I have right now, just to let you know, I have one on the system, one that's not. So I know the difference that it makes. I know the difference between scale deposits, lime deposits, hard water deposits in my ice machines, and also in my Coke machines, the heads, even the spout where the ice comes down. With that, I haven't seen anything in this store. So with this beverage, the carbonation is better, the flavor is better, and even if the ice melts a little bit in it, it doesn't change the flavor of the beverage, which is really important. If you look straight at the ice machine, you'll see that there's no mineral deposits on any side or on top or even in the ice molds. If you go to another ice machine that does not have this water purification system in it, you'll see the lime buildup and the calcium and all that, and the buildup on each side. The health department loves ice machines looking like this. Taking the cover off the ice, as you notice, there's no mineral or hard water deposits. Again, it's clean. You know, when you do a preventative maintenance on an ice machine, you have to remove all the ice. You have to turn the switch off to making the ice to put clean. Then you have to pour a chemical in it, which goes through all the pumps and all the tubing and all the housing of everything to clean it and to get off that hard scale deposit. But with this water system that we have, there's no really need to do that. So therefore, if you look in a year on how many times you have to do preventative maintenance on an ice machine, you're going to save a lot of money. And again, this water purification system affects the flavor of any product that I sell in my store, other than our steaks, but it helps with my bread, it helps with my cakes, it helps with my cookies, it helps with my buns for our hamburgers. Water is some of the major components of our recipes. And so using this, it's awesome. Customers taste the difference. If they taste a difference in my soda, my cold tea, my lemonade, my soups, my breads, etc., they'll be coming back.